Do you ever feel tired by midday, find yourself constantly reaching for snacks, or struggle to stay focused on your work? The problem might not be your busy schedule, it might be what you're eating. Today, I'm going to share 5 powerful smoothie recipes that will boost your energy, keep you full for hours, and help you feel healthier every single day. And make sure you stay till the end, because I'll show you how to get my full smoothie guide with even more delicious recipes. Now, smoothies aren't just drinks. When you make them right, they can be complete, satisfying meals. The secret is using the right balance of fiber, protein, healthy fats, and natural carbs. These smoothies are perfect for a quick breakfast, a post-workout recovery drink, or anytime you need a boost of long-lasting energy. Let's jump right into smoothie number 1. First up, we have the Energy Booster Green Smoothie. This one is perfect for those mornings when you need to sharpen your focus and get some clean, sustained energy. For this, you'll need spinach, a banana, some almond milk, a spoonful of chia seeds, and a little bit of peanut butter. The spinach gives you a great dose of iron and essential nutrients. The banana provides quick, natural energy, and the chia seeds will help keep you feeling full all morning. This smoothie is your best friend if you want lasting energy without the dreaded afternoon crash. Next, we have smoothie number 2, the Protein Power Smoothie. If you find that hunger strikes just an hour or 2 after breakfast, this recipe is for you. You'll need Greek yogurt, mixed berries, rolled oats, a touch of honey, and your choice of milk or a plant-based alternative. This smoothie is absolutely packed with protein and fiber, which helps control those pesky cravings and supports muscle recovery. It's ideal for busy mornings or as a refuel after a good workout. Moving on to smoothie number 3, the Tropical Metabolism Smoothie. Not only does this one taste like a vacation in a glass, but it also supports your digestion and metabolism. The ingredients are pineapple, mango, coconut water, flax seeds, and a small piece of fresh ginger. The pineapple and ginger are fantastic for aiding digestion, while the flax seeds keep you full and promote good gut health. It's incredibly refreshing, light, and surprisingly powerful. Now, for a fan favorite, smoothie number 4, the Chocolate Hunger Crusher Smoothie. And yes, you heard that right, chocolate can absolutely be healthy. For this decadent treat, you'll blend unsweetened cocoa powder, a banana, a scoop of peanut butter, some oats, and your preferred milk. This smoothie is amazing because it satisfies your sweet cravings while providing sustained energy and keeping you full. It's the perfect choice when you want something that feels indulgent but is secretly super nutritious. And finally, smoothie number 5 is the All Day Focus Smoothie. This one is specifically designed to enhance your productivity and mental clarity. You'll need blueberries, avocado, a handful of spinach, almond milk, and either chia or hemp seeds. The healthy fats from the avocado are incredible for supporting brain function, while the antioxidants in blueberries can help with focus and memory. This is my go-to smoothie for long work days, study sessions, or when I need to get into a creative flow. Each of these smoothies is built on a foundation of natural energy sources: fiber to keep you full, protein for muscle and recovery, and the essential nutrients your body actually needs. That's the real reason they help you feel energized for hours, not just minutes. So if you want the step-by-step recipes with the exact measurements, plus even more powerful smoothie ideas, just click the link in the description below to get my complete smoothie guide. It makes healthy eating simple, delicious, and easy to stick with, even when you're busy. If this video was helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more health and nutrition tips, and let me know in the comments which smoothie you're going to try first. Don't forget to click that link to get your smoothie guide and start feeling healthier and more energized today. Thanks for watching.